Hi and welcome to the shop. My name is Heiko. In this video it's all about the workshop itself. I want to optimize the space a little bit. You see, this is the area below my workbench, trash bin, 2 steps for my kids to make them bigger, to work on the workbench, a little bit wood, some tools, but I want to make it more efficient for me. I'm a huge fan of separating the trash. So this is not recyclable, but metal is over there and paper and plastics is in the other room. So I want to bring that together to save time, to make it more efficient and more convenient, and I want to use the space a little bit more.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
To make the operation of the rails a little bit smoother, I apply a coat of candle wax. You can take bee wax as well, but candle wax will do the trick.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes
Okay folks, that's basically it. It's my waste separation unit, and I worked with this piece several weeks now, and I wouldn't have expected beforehand, but this is the most touched grip or object in my shop. So because it's so easy, it slides very well. I can bring my racks on top of here, let them dry, and yeah, it's very handy. I do not have to walk around in the shop to separate the stuff. It's fantastic. And another thing I have to show you on the side. Welcome under my workbench, basically. So this is my drawer, and I installed the workbench, or I reinforced the workbench with this beam so that I can install a very sturdy area here to pack heavy stuff in, and the space behind these beams would be lost if I wouldn't have used this space with these little tubes. Here I store all my threaded rods so that I can see what I have and what I have to refill, and if such things, you know, I even put the rest in there, so if they get stuck behind and I can't get them out, I can move the whole tube out and yeah, grab my stuff that I need. So that's also a benefit from my project here, that I gain storage area for long objects. That's critical in most shops, that you have a problem with storing long pieces, different pieces. So yeah, this is something, a very easy thing. Just take some tubes and you're good to go. All right. So as you can see, very easy project, saves time, helps the environment by recycling all your stuff. So I hope you liked that video and you follow me with this kind of ideas to separate your waste. And yeah, I hope I see you next time around here, guys. Happy crafting!